Look at the question number 8. Look at the time in the clock and answer the following questions. Look at this clock. The question is, what time is it? Here the hour hand is between 6 and 7. So it is past 6 and the minute hand is at 3. So 3 fives. 3 fives means 3 into 5 gives you 15. So the minute hand shows 15 minutes. So the time is 15 minutes past. We can write this as 6:15. So the time is 6:15. This was the answer of A. For B, the question is, what time will it be after half an hour? Half an hour means आधे घंटे के बाद. आधे घंटे में कितने मिनट्स होते हैं? There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So in half hour, how many minutes? Half into 60. That is 30 minutes. So we have to add 30 to the 15 minutes. So it is 45 minutes. So the answer of B is what? 45 minutes past 6. We can write this 6:45. So answer of B is what? 6:45. Now go through the question number C. What time was it 1 hour and 15 minutes ago? Ago means पहले. 1 hour 15 minute पहले कितना टाइम था? तो हम लोग इसको थोड़ा सा पीछे ले जाते हैं मिनट हैंड को. 15 मिनट्स पहले, 15 मिनट्स पहले ये मिनट हैंड 12 पे होगा. और 1 घंटा और पहले, अभी अगर ये 12 पे पहुंच गया तो ये आवर हैंड हमारा 6 पे पहुंच गया तो 6 बज रहे हैं. तो 1 घंटे पहले कितने बजेंगे? 5. Something like this your clock shows. So what time was it 1 hour and 15 minutes ago? It was 5 o'clock. We must write this like this also, 5. Okay. Now number 9. In question number 9 there are some pictures like this. In this figure we see here, this figure is divided in 3 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. And in this circle is divided into 4 and 4, 8 equal parts, and 3 of them are shaded. And in this figure we see that this is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 of them are shaded. What the question says? Just read the question. Write the fraction in the boxes shown in the following figure by the shaded portion. Okay, we have to write here the fraction. For writing the fraction, we see how many equal parts the figure is divided. We see here 3 equal parts. This figure is divided into 3 equal parts. So the denominator of this is 3. And what is the numerator? Number of shaded part is the numerator. So here 1 shaded part. So the numerator is 1. So what is the fraction? 1 by 3. Now in this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So the denominator of this is 8. And what is numerator? Here 3 parts are added, so the numerator is 3. Thus, the fraction is written as 3/8. Now go to this figure. This figure is divided into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the denominator is 4 and 3 of them are shaded. So the numerator is 3. So we can write here 3/4. Look at question number 11. Anil has rupees 8,445 in his bank account while Sumit has rupees 6,330 in his account. How much more money does Anil have? To find the more money, we have to subtract 6,330 from 8,445. Anil has rupees 8,445 in his account. Sumit has 6,330 rupees in his account. So find the more money, we have to subtract 6,330 rupees from 8,445 rupees. Just subtract this. 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 4 minus 3 gives you 1 and 8 minus 6 is 2. Anil have rupees 2,115 more than Sumit. Question number 12 is Veena bought 3 kg 275 gram potato and 2 kg 25 gram tomatoes. How much total vegetables did she buy? To find the total vegetable, we have to add the potato and tomato, weight of potato and weight of tomato. So we can write here Veena bought potato (3 kg) 275 gram and tomatoes 2 kg 25 gram. Add these two. We have to write kg in the place of kg and gram in the place of gram. 25 gram, so gram is of 3 digits, so we have to place here 0 and add these. So total vegetables she buy is equals to 5 kg 300 gram. Now go to the next question. Question number 13. A bottle has 1 liter 200 milliliter medicine in it. एक बॉटल में 1 लीटर 200 milliliter medicine है. If each one of 275 patient is taken 1 milliliter medicine, सारे पेशेंट जितने भी पेशेंट है, टोटल पेशेंट की संख्या है 275, सभी ने 1-1 मिलीलीटर मेडिसिन लिया है. हाउ मच मेडिसिन इज लेफ्ट इन द बॉटल? बॉटल में कितना मेडिसिन बचा? तो पहले कितना मेडिसिन पेशेंट ने लिया वो हम निकाल लें और फिर उसको टोटल मेडिसिन में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमको कितना बॉटल में बचा मिल जाएगा. टोटल medicine in the bottle is equal to 1 liter 200 milliliter. Total number of patient 275. Medicine, each patient get 1 milliliter. Therefore, medicine 275 patient get is equal to 1 into 275 milliliter. That was 275 milliliter. Now we have to find how much medicine left. So medicine left in the bottle is equals to, we have to subtract 275 milliliter from 1 liter 200 milliliter. So the medicine left is 925 milliliter.